people believe that family has the strongest influence on a child's development, while others believe that external factors such as televisions, friends, and music play a big role. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
In shaping a child's development, two predominant perspectives vie for attention. Some contend that family exerts the most potent influence, while others argue that external factors like television, friends, and music wield significant sway. This essay will explore both viewpoints before presenting my stance on this issue. To begin with, proponents of the family-centric view argue that familial relationships are the cornerstone of a child's development. Parents serve as primary role models, imparting values, beliefs, and behaviors that shape a child's worldview. Moreover, the quality of parental interaction greatly impacts emotional and cognitive development. Research by psychologists such as Bowlby highlights the importance of secure attachments formed within the family unit, providing a foundation for healthy social and emotional functioning later in life. Consequently, proponents assert that family dynamics, including parenting styles and familial support networks, significantly mold a child's character and behavior. Conversely, proponents of the external factors perspective contend that the modern world inundates children with myriad stimuli beyond the familial sphere. Televisions bombard young minds with diverse images and messages, shaping perceptions and attitudes. Peer groups and friendships play a pivotal role in identity formation and socialization, exposing children to differing values and norms. Furthermore, music and popular culture serve as potent influencers, shaping attitudes, preferences, and even aspirations. With the advent of social media, the influence of external factors has only intensified, as children are increasingly exposed to a globalized world of ideas and influences beyond their immediate family circle. While both perspectives hold merit, it is essential to recognize the interplay between family and external factors in shaping a child's development. Family undoubtedly lays the groundwork for a child's values and socialization, providing a vital support structure. However, in today's interconnected world, external influences cannot be disregarded. Children navigate a complex web of interactions and stimuli, drawing from both familial and external sources to construct their identities and navigate the world. Therefore, rather than viewing these influences in isolation, a holistic perspective that acknowledges the dynamic interplay between family and external factors is warranted. In conclusion, the debate over the primary influences on a child's development revolves around the contrasting viewpoints of family centrism and the significance of external factors. While family undoubtedly holds immense sway over a child's upbringing, external influences such as media, peers, and popular culture also exert considerable influence. Ultimately, recognizing the symbiotic relationship between these influences is crucial for understanding the multifaceted nature of child development in today's rapidly evolving world.
Sample answer 2.
The influence of family on a child's upbringing is undoubtedly profound, although some argue that other elements hold greater sway over a person's development, such as friendships and social networks. In this essay, I will elucidate why I align more with the latter viewpoint. Primarily, ample evidence supports the significant role parents play in shaping the futures of their offspring. Statistically, parental behavior strongly correlates with that of their children, and many individuals exhibit striking similarities to their ancestors' actions. For instance, studies have demonstrated higher divorce rates among couples whose parents underwent separation during their youth. Furthermore, children of alcoholic parents are statistically more prone to developing alcohol addiction themselves. On the other hand, neglecting the influence of peers and environmental factors on adolescents would be short-sighted. Exposure to media, for example, can shape language use and behavioral patterns, as seen in the emulation of soap opera characters. Moreover, stark differences often arise between siblings who share the same upbringing, home, and school environment. One sibling may exhibit introverted tendencies, gravitating toward academic pursuits, while another may embrace extroversion and aspire to athletic or fame-related pursuits. These disparities stem from the distinct social milieus in which they find themselves. In conclusion, while family members undoubtedly wield considerable influence over their descendants' behavior, disregarding the substantial power of close friends and media exposure would be naive. Both groups of influencers are integral to shaping individual trajectories. Recent research has shed light on the intertwined impact of genetics and environment on human actions, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of human development.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.